All right. Okay, it's like I said in my short that I just uploaded. I'm uploading a video. All right, I gotta remind myself that there's no slicer in this exercise. So, I mean that's in the last exercise I did, slicer. Okay, and I'm gonna be doing something differently. Um, some parts of the exercise I'm gonna do what the book says, and other parts I'm gonna do differently. The parts that I don't know how to do, I'm gonna do what the textbook says, and the parts that I do know how to do, I'm gonna do differently. And that way, but I'm still gonna teach you all how to do this. So, okay, I'm gonna skip. I already did step A, which is open the assignment. Okay, and then I'm gonna skip to step D, and I'm gonna skip part of step D, which is which is click book sheets tab, and I'm already there. All right, so I mean, I'm gonna click A5. I mean, does it really matter which cell I click? Okay, and then we're gonna do relationships. Now, this part I'm gonna do what the textbook says: data, relationships, and and we're gonna do books, column foreign, and then discipline code, and then related table, discipline, disc code, and okay. And here's another relationship. New, books, editor ID, and then we're going to do editor in the same column of foreign editor ID. And okay. And then we'll click close. Okay. Alright. So far so good. Now we're going to insert a plain big pivot table. Not a recommended one, plain one. Okay, so pivot table. Okay. Table range. Okay. New worksheet. And then add this data to the module. And okay. All right. Now, here we go. See? Blank pit. See, it doesn't show anything. It just says to build report. Choose field from the pivot table. Duh. And we're going to do that. And we're going to click all. All right. So, books. We're going to okay. Click the books. Okay, hold on. Yeah. And then total book sales field. All right. And then there's two ways. You could do field settings, number format, accounting, format. Format. It'll open the same dialog box the other way too. Okay. And then there you go. And okay. It'll do that, or you can just do it like this: Control Z, home, and then okay, and then number format, accounting. Okay. What? Control Z. It's not supposed to do that. And okay. All right, now let's do discipline. Now, next table we're gonna do is discipline, and we're gonna click on the discipline field. Okay, and then we're going to choose the editor. Wait a minute, hold on. Editor last on the editor table. All right. And then obviously we're going to rename this pivot table. Rename. And okay. And I have to remind myself there is no slicer in this exercise. Okay, and then we're going to make a copy. Then create a copy and okay. And then we're going to, and let's name it, even though it doesn't say so in the textbook, I'm going to do it anyway. No, cancel. Even though it doesn't say so in the textbook, I'm going to rename it. And okay, pivot chart. Now in the design tab, now it's, I don't know why it's, okay, wait a minute. All right, change chart type. Okay, wait a minute. First, we need to insert a chart. And then pivot table, analyze pivot chart. And then we're going to skip to step D. Make sure it's a pie chart. And okay. All right. And let's click the discipline arrow. Wait a minute, which discipline arrow? Okay, yeah, this discipline arrow. And then select all. And then we're just going to click the family checkbox. Just family. All right. And then in cell B5 on the data tab, B5 data, and then we're going to sort from wait a minute, B5. Sort from smallest to largest. No, to largest to smallest. Okay. And then chart elements. Chart elements. Okay. On the right of the. Okay, click the pivot chart. Okay. Here we are. And then data labels. Alright, and then let's double click a data, it doesn't matter. And then click the value checkbox to deselect it. Wait a minute, what value? Okay. And then percentage. Oh, wrong one. There we go. And there you have it. Okay. Thank you for watching. Over and out.